housing market has started to boom again, I'd like to find a way to learn how to get started in the real estate market. I wish I could be a property locator for a company that can show me the ins and outs of the business. Let me take my search online. Oh wow, what's this? Real Estate Investor Bird Dog? It says they provide free real estate training for property locators that want to get started in the real estate business. Oh wow, they're going to train me for free. Yeah. Let me sign up to Real Estate Investor Bird Dog so I can make some money before the market explodes.